Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my lace wig transformation. As you can see, this is my natural balayaged hair, and I'm going to take my Denman soft bristle brush and I'm going to give my hair a brush before I apply the lace wig. After fully brushing my hair, I'm going to divide my hair into two sections and I'm going to twist one section and I'm going to take a curvy grip and I'm going to cross it over at the back of my head and pin it in place with my curvy. I've pinned my hair up like this to keep it super flat so that my hair will be completely disguised underneath the lace wig. So now that my natural hair is super flat and tucked away, I am going to take the lace wig and I'm going to apply it to my hair. So I'm going to give the lace wig a good brush before I apply it to my hair, and again I'm using my Denman soft bristle brush. The wig that I'm going to be using today is a full lace wig made by LADYLUX, and it has been custom coloured. So it was originally black and we have bleached it all up and created a soft balayage look with it. It's got internal clips so that it will have additional support, and it's got baby hairs around the front hairline. So I'm now going to take my Got2be glued spray and I'm just going to spray it on my natural hair lightly and just smooth it down with a little comb, but you can also do this with your hands or your fingers. I'm now going to apply the lace wig from behind and line it up at the front of my hairline and snap the bottom clips once it is in place. So I'm now just going to be lining up my natural parting with the parting of the lace wig to make it look as natural as possible. So usually with a full lace wig you would have your hair braided or you would have your hair underneath a wig cap, but I am actually going to use my natural hair's hairline to just conceal this wig that little bit more because my hair actually matches the colour of the wig. Usually if your hair doesn't match the colour of the wig you would fully conceal it over with a wig cap and have the baby hairs all at the front, but I am just taking out small sections from my hairline to just create much more of a natural look. Now that I've applied my lace wig, I'm going to take my wide Cloud9 straighteners and I'm going to put a little bend and a little bit of a curl into the lace wig. I think that this just creates a softer look and it makes it look really natural, and I'm also going out for afternoon tea, so I thought, why the hell not? So now that I've finished curling my hair, I'm going to just give it a once over with my Got2be glued hairspray to just keep all the curls in place. So guys, this is my final look with my LADYLUX lace wig. Hope you love the look just as much as I do, and please subscribe to the channel and keep posted for more videos.